Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing phone numbers in E164 format. For example, plus 1,234,567,890, because WhatsApp needs the country code. Next, decide the message you want prefilled and remember to URL encode spaces and punctuation. Once done, add a helper column in Excel to build the link formula. This keeps raw data separate from the final URL. Make sure you now construct the link using a formula. Combine https://wa, me/ plus the E164 number and append text equals plus your encoded message using concat or and. For spaces, use substitute to replace them with %20 or use a simple URL encoding helper if available. Once the string is correct, wrap it in hyperlink, formula, send, so the cell becomes clickable. Make sure to test one entry first. This saves time when you copy formulas down the column. You finish by copying the formula down the column, and if required, paste as values to lock the links. Then test several links on both desktop and mobile to confirm the message appears and the chat opens. Once done, export or share the sheet. If something goes wrong, check your phone numbers for non-digit characters, ensure plus and country codes are correct, and verify the message is properly URL encoded. These are the most frequent causes of failed links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.